Welcome to Greenwords Academy. If this is your first time viewing our video or see any of our video, please do well to check us also on our social media handles at the Greenwords Academy YouTube and the Greenwords Academy on our Facebook page. Okay, so you get in touch. So today we'll be making a simple flyer design. So when you open your PixelLab app, this is the first thing you see. Okay, now you go to the white one and choose it. Okay, then we go to the background. I want to turn our background to black and then click OK. This is what I call the background tool here at the bottom, and the bottom screen tool. That's 4 tools you see. This is background tool. I call it background tool, object tool, text tool, and whatsoever you call it. So this is the background tool. I change it to this. So then after choosing the background, the next thing we need to do is to go to this top button, click on that plus sign on, and then click on from the gallery to add your object or the image or whatever you are working with. Okay, and you go here and I want to go to the downloads and get my image here. Okay, I click OK and I bring it here, expand it a little and keep it here. The next thing we need to do is to go to object tool and go to circle and then change the color to black and click OK. Copy it, draw it here, and change it the color to white. Okay, this is very easy to do. You can as well do this. If I can do it, you can do it. So after this, the next thing you need to do is to click here and group both of them. Select both of them and group them together as one object. Now if I move it, both of them are moving. So next thing I need to do is to go to my erase color and choose it and click OK. And then turn on my tolerance selection to clear it well, then click OK. Then the next thing I need to do here is to go to my texture and then choose my image and crop it as much as you want. And then reduce it a little and keep it here. So after this, the next thing is to click on the text tool. Go to text, edit, and then edit your text. Now I want to write the acronyms of Greenwords Academy. Okay, and click OK. Then draw it here to the middle and they go to color and change it to black so you can see what we are doing, or instead we change it to red color. Okay, and then transpose it a little and keep it this way. You can also expand it and then go to the font and choose your fonts well and click OK. So the next thing I need to do here that I want to make it, so you may not even believe it, but this is real. Let's use this tool, that is relative position, and bring it to the center of the screen you are working on. Then I want to copy it and also use this tool to bring it to the center again. And the next thing is to change the color to black and click OK. And then go to mask tool and turn it in and out. You see the effect it gives you. Then I reposition this. Okay, and click OK. Now click on this, select both of them and group them together, and select this again to create. Now both of the texts are together, giving you red at the top and the black at the bottom. It's really a wonderful design here. So last thing on my list I want to show you here is you go to the text tool again and then click on edit and use the dot line like this and click down, bring it here, copy it and then bring it here, group them together, and then go to color and change the color to black. Now you can see it. The next thing I want to do now is to reduce it like this and transpose it. Okay, draw it here, and then it's okay. Now looking at this, it's just a very simple and wonderful design. You can make this also, so try it out and then submit your work to the group chat. Do well to follow us on our Facebook page and also on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. So the last thing you need to do before you clear out is you go to the top here, click on save as image and then change the dimension to ultra and then click to save to gallery, and at the end of the day you got your image. If you go to your gallery now, you will see your image right there and your design is a wonderful one. So thank you for watching.